This new Amazon feature can instantly boost your average order value, and you don't have to touch your price, ads, or keywords. Wild, right? But most sellers don't even know it exists. And guess what? If you skip this, you'll grinding for single item orders. Meanwhile, your competitors are quietly doubling their cart value. Don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll show you what A+ shoppable collections are, how they work, the key difference from your current brand story, and how to build your collection that actually sell. Let's be honest, the brand story module is good, but it was more about looking good than driving sales. Let's go to the brand story section. It lies right above the A+ content. This is actually swappable, and here you can see the carts. Amazon allows up to 19 carts, and now they added a new image. And the next, they added a store link. If you click on this, you will go to their brand store and you can buy any other product if you like. Alright, now this is clickable product. And clicking this, you will go to the listing page. This has cross-selling potential. Now, this card shows their commitments, and this one mainly has a testimonial. However, the brand story focuses on the brand reputation, the mission, the vision, the emotional fluff that looks fantastic in slides, but doesn't exactly push a customer any closer to clicking buy now. It nurtures perceptions, not conversions. It builds trust, not transactions. It's a great for shaping how people feel about you, but it barely moves the needle when someone is 5 seconds away from choosing between you and the competitors with flashier photo and impulsive discount code. That's exactly what A+ shoppable collection are designed to do. They turn your brand story from a passive brand moment into a conversion tool that drives noticeable results. Ultimately, it's the difference between branding for show and branding for sale. Now, in this shoppable collection module, you can add videos and showcase your products, kind of like a brand story. But a key difference is it's focused on driving sales, not just building brand reputation. And it also takes place where the brand story module lies, like above the A+ content segment. And the thing is, we cannot add both brand story and shoppable collection in one listing. We have to choose either one. Okay, to add a shoppable collection, we need to go to the Seller Central. Click on the hamburger menu and then advertising. And then A+ content manager. Now click on create new A+ content. Now here you will see both brand story and shoppable collection. Now let's see what modules are inside the shoppable collection. What are the function of each section? Okay, here you see some instruction on this. By reading this, we know that shoppable collection creates interactive shopping experience with tagged images and videos. It can group products into themed collection that inspire immediate purchase. Link to your brand store to drive customer to all of your brand's products. And I have already told you, if you have a shoppable collection, you can add a brand story and vice versa. So these are the cards, and if you notice, all have shop button. They're dynamic, customizable, and designed to drive sales. This first module, bestsellers, is the credibility card. When shoppers see what others are already buying, their doubt goes down. Putting your top performers here means customer instantly trust your catalog. That trust turns into faster sales. Next, custom collection. This is where a seller gets to control the story. You group products that naturally belong together. Then, highly rated cards. This is a pure social proof. When people see high reviews showcased visually, they stop scrolling. For sellers, this card acts like a magnet for attention and conversion. Now, the image with text module. This one blends branding with selling. A strong lifestyle shot, a clean line of text, and a button that says shop. Then, single product card. When you want a hero item to shine, this is the big stage. Big image, clean price, direct shop now button. Perfect for spotlighting your most profitable product or a recently launched item. This is the video and with optional text module. It's the moment where the page stops feeling like a product listing and start feeling like a story. When shoppers see motion, real people, real moments, they pause. And that pause is powerful. Look at this example. A parent and child cooking together, creating memories. It hits emotion first, then quietly guides the shoppers with a simple shop button. Sellers benefit because video pulls customers in longer, keeps them engaged, and builds trust instantly. One really important thing to keep in mind is that you can add up to 10 modules in Shoppable Collection. Here is the Shoppable Collection example. Now they added 7 cards. First one is video with optional text. They didn't add any text and a model showing reviewing the product. A real person holding the product, using it, reacting to it. That built trust in 2 seconds. Next one is also a video showcasing the product. And then they add the best-selling product. Each is clickable. By clicking this, you will go to the listing page. And the last 2 cards, these are all custom collections. Hand-picked product that belongs together. This is where the seller really guides the customer. 7 cards, but all pushing one goal. Show more, build trust faster, and make the shopper explore your entire ecosystem without leaving the page. And all have cross-selling potential. This shoppable is a new thing, but impact is very familiar. It takes what sellers were already trying to do with A+ and brand story and finally gives them to the tool to do it properly. Alright, so if you're looking at this new Shoppable Collection feature and feel a little puzzled, don't worry. We at Ecomclips can handle the entire thing for you. Because honestly, this is where seller gets stuck. It's not just about adding the cards. It's about understanding the strategy behind them. And then exactly what we do every single day for brand scaling on Amazon. We manage the full stack from your product listing optimization to A+ content and brand story to building shoppable collection that actually makes sense to PPC campaign that drive the right traffic to storefront design to catalog structuring to conversion rate tuning. Every part of your Amazon business talk to the next one. And that's what we specialize in. We don't just set up pages. We build systems. We map ecosystems. We design the customer journey so every scroll has a purpose. Send us a mail at info@ecomclips.com and book a free listing audit now. See you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.